Multifunctional furniture ideas for small spaces. In today's fast-paced world, urban living has become the norm for many people. However, with urban living comes the challenge of limited living spaces. Small apartments and homes can be tricky to decorate and furnish without feeling cramped or cluttered. But don't worry, there are solutions. One solution to this problem is multifunctional furniture. Multifunctional furniture is designed to serve more than one purpose, making it an excellent choice for small spaces. In this video, we will explore some creative multifunctional furniture ideas that are perfect for small spaces. First, we have a convertible sofa bed. This piece of furniture serves as a comfortable sofa during the day and can be easily converted into a bed at night. This is perfect for studio apartments or guest rooms. Next, we have a storage ottoman. This piece of furniture serves as a comfortable seat or footrest and has a hidden storage compartment for blankets, books, or other items. It's an excellent option for small living rooms. Another great idea is a wall bed. This is a bed that can be easily folded up and stored against the wall during the day, freeing up valuable floor space. This is perfect for small bedrooms. Lastly, we have a dining table that can be converted into a console table. This is an excellent option for those who don't have a lot of space for a dining table but still want the option to entertain guests. In conclusion, multifunctional furniture is an excellent solution for those who live in small spaces. It's essential to make the most out of your living space, and multifunctional furniture is a great way to do just that.